Hey, how's it going, everybody? I got a GMC Savana. I got a clunking noise when I'm driving on the driver's side. This is a 2006, but you could use this for other models. And basically, if you have a clunking noise on either the driver's side or the passenger side, you want to come check the sway bar bushing right here. This bushing is supposed to go all around this bar, but this one's been falling out. It's busted. And it's causing the bar to clank in this bracket. But we're going to take this bracket off and replace the bushing. The bottom is a 10mm bolt. Go ahead and get that out. And then the top is a 15mm nut. We'll get this off here. And then once that nut's off on the top, you should be able to kind of pull this off. The bar will move a little tiny bit. It's nothing to be concerned about. Pull this bracket off. Remove the old bushing. Here's my new one. This is a MOOG. I like how it's blue. Here's the part number. I'll link it below. This is on Amazon. Pretty inexpensive, actually. Links below. And also what I got is Seal Glide. This is some lube that goes on here. I put it on the outside and the inside of this just to help everything go together smoothly. It just kind of gets rid of all any kind of friction. And then when you put the bushing on, you put this bracket back on like that, and then you just screw everything back in. But first, we gotta do the bushing. So you open it up. There's an opening on it. It's a little stiff, but that's a good thing. And then you want to rotate it like this. Put the flat side against the frame, and then once you got that, we'll put the bracket on. You might have to move the bar kind of up and down a tad bit to line it up, and then get it on that top stud. And once you get it on that top stud, like I don't know, like a quarter way or halfway, then you want to put your nut on, and then we'll tighten the 15mm nut down. Not all the way down, but probably like halfway or a little more. And then the bracket should start to kind of line up with the bottom hole. And then once the bottom hole is lined up enough, you want to put your bottom bolt in. So it's pretty good right now. Now that I've tightened it down a little bit on the top, the bottom hole's more closer to where it should be, and I could put the bottom bolt in. We'll put this guy in and then tighten him down. This is the 10mm, tighten him down. And then once this is tight, I'm going to finish tightening the top down. This process is the same for each side. I would recommend doing one side at a time. If you take both off at the same time, it might move the sway bar enough to make it really hard to move back to where you need it to be. Also, if you have a power tools, it's much faster. I just don't have my power tools on me at the moment. But yeah, just go back and forth, make sure it's tight, and that's it. Your noise should be gone. And check the links below. Thanks for watching.
Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for oxauto.com. They got a handful of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket LED headlights. They've been out a few years now, and at first the lights they had were 200% brighter than regular headlight bulbs. Now they've upgraded the tech this year, and now it's 600% brighter. So if you're in the boonies, the suburbs, the city, I highly recommend you upgrade your bulbs. Nothing wrong with having an old car, but you should get with the times and have bright headlights like everyone else. These bulbs are available on Amazon. However, if you go to the OxAuto website, that's where I could give you a promo code for 15% off. All you got to do is go to the website, type in your year, make, and model. There's basically products for every car out there, and what kind of light you want. They have all kinds of different lights for interior, exterior, headlights, and then you just browse to what you need and you get it. And then at checkout, you're going to type in GearmoAuto and then hit apply in the coupon code spot, and it'll take 15% off.